I'm here with Hannah and Paul Harkness. Their farm is one of several suspected in a food-borne illness outbreak affecting about 100 people. Hannah and Paul, can you tell us a little bit about your business?
Yes, we grow vegetables and flowers for the farmers market and a couple of other places.
We're waiting for information from the health board, but in our own investigation of 5 people who have gotten sick, at least half of those people say they may have had products from your farm or other vendors at the market. Hannah and Paul, can you tell us what happened?
Yes, the Minnesota State Health Department is contacting everyone who became sick to see what they ate and all the places they visited over the last 3 days. They're also contacting all the market vendors to see what we sold over the weekend. And we know that state officials are contacting all the produce managers of the grocery stores throughout the county.
Did they call you? What did you say?
Yes, they called us. We talked to them. We provided, Paul and I shared our weekend sales records as well as our field records in case they needed that information as well.
So you shared your records and they asked you about your farm. Is that because your farm is suspect in the outbreak situation?
Now, I don't think anyone knows yet what caused the outbreak. All of the market vendors are concerned, but we don't want to speculate until we learn more from the health department. These sort of things do happen on occasion, but we're confident that our health and agricultural departments will figure out what caused this illness. On our farm, it's part of our emergency response plan to keep detailed records. That way, if something like this does happen, we can help our regulatory partners to protect the public's health. This is something we think all growers should be doing.
Hannah?
I just want to add that Paul's right. We don't know the source of the outbreak yet, but we will know soon. In our operation, we're prepared. We have field by field and sales records dating back about 5 years, which helps the public officials quickly track back any outbreak. We also follow the good agricultural practices information provided by the Extension Service. Our Fruit and Vegetable Growers Association promotes this. The information provided helps us and other growers to prevent accidental contamination.
Hannah, as we see this situation unfold, what would you like to say to the families that have gotten sick?
We know that there are families and children that have been affected. Many are our friends and members of our community. Paul and I are parents ourselves, and we know this is frustrating and frightening. We'll continue to help our public health officials find out what happened. We are concerned about what happened, and we want to make sure this doesn't happen again. It's something that our Fruit and Vegetable Growers Association are very concerned about.
From what you know, is there anything your customers should be doing right now?
People should look for information coming out from the state health department over the next hour or so. We always tell all of our customers to wash their fresh fruits and vegetables before they eat them. If you have a family member who is sick, contact your healthcare provider. And if a family member is sick, make sure everyone's washing their hands so that the illness doesn't spread.
The health department will make an announcement within the hour about the status of the outbreak and what customers can do to protect themselves. When more news unfolds, we'll bring it to you. Live from Anderson County, Minnesota, I'm Adele Oliver.